Hey bro,
Hi,
how are you?
fine. How are you?
I'm very well, thanks. Actually, I bisa nggak here?
In the banana. Hi
Yes.
guys. Hi,
Hi.
Steve.
Hi Steve. Hi Vina.
Stand here.
Do you want to come to eat with us? The place to eat is this near with the river. It's comfortable.
Yes, that's right. And our meal is so much enjoyable. Do you wanna join us?
Yes, of
Yes,
course.
of course. Okay. Let's join with me.
Hey.
What's
Why you throwing the rabbit in the river?
what's wrong? What's wrong? Yeah, didn't you realize it? Don't you know that you just can't harm the environment and cause a great damage? Why? I just throw little banana. Yes, absolutely. The river is not place to throwing the rubbish. There's rubbish bin over there.
Yes, I know throwing rubbish in the river is wrong, but it's done by many people, right? So we are not exactly wrong, are we?
It's the river colony is very clean and clear. But if the trash are getting many and many, the river will become dirty in a long time.
Hey, come on, guys. We just throw little rabbits in the river.
We are patient enough for not throwing the trash the trash carelessly.
Do you know the result of your acts?
Yes,
Oh my God.
Yes, obviously, if you throw garbage, then it will block the flow of river and the water will overflow and overwhelm us. Moreover, we are in the rainy season, right? If you don't so, then our environment may get flat.
Yep. Imagine if there are 10 people just like you who throw the rubbish into the river, assuming the one person throwing garbage 1 kilogram a day. So there will be 10 kilogram of water them in the river every day. Can you imagine that?
Yeah, forgive us. We will not throw garbage in the river again. Right, again?
Yes, trust me, we will check our bad habit.
Yes.
Well, I believe with you.
That's good. Let's keep on from environment from now.
Yes.
Please introduce yourself briefly. What department do you interested on it? What if in this new place you feel the same as you did in your last work? What are your strengths? Please specify each of three. What are your weaknesses? Please specify each of three.
I've been walking in the same way as I did, missing out the cracks in the pavement and tutting my heel and strutting my feet. Is there anything I can do for you, dear? Is there anyone I could call? No, and thank you, please, madame. I ain't lost, just wondering. Round my hometown, memories of phrase. Round my hometown, ooh, the people I've made. How the wonders of my world, how the wonders of my world, how the wonders of this world, how the wonders now. I like it in the city when the air is so thick and opaque. I love it to see everybody in short skirts, shorts and shades. I like it in the city when two worlds collide. You get the people and the government